Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Ford Fusion. Stock number is 18F387A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. We're going to look at the tread on the tires, and then inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. Taking a look at the back now, and we're going to take a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise and audio controls are here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.